Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland E4 Voice Tweaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this voice changer, for whatever reason, it's not working, maybe it's not responding, it's making weird sounds that it's not supposed to, stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because all the settings and configurations and everything will be restored to their out-of-the-box defaults. And that's the second reason you might want to do it. If you're just trying to get a fresh start with this and you don't want to manually delete everything, you can just go through and just wipe everything off of it. So it's really easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're going to start with it powered off. And then with it powered off, we're going to come and press and hold this stop button here. And with this button, pressing and holding it, we'll go ahead and turn on. Now if this has worked right, when it turns on, the play record button will start to blink. Now you have two options. You can bail on the reset by just turning it back off, but if you want to confirm and go ahead and do the factory reset, we can just go ahead and press the play record button and that will confirm the factory reset. Then you just wait a second, and then when all of the buttons are blinking, it means it's done. You just need to go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on, and you can set it up as a new device.